We are amidst a pandemic. The whole world is on pause. But technology is always on fast forward, so we need to keep up. In this fast-moving world, we are busy bringing up our families and striving to provide the best we can for them. When innovation meets technology, something new, something powerful is created. Let us put the power in your hands. Genits is here to provide advanced IT and AV system solutions. Solutions which bring people together throughout the world. With a complete commitment to you, we want to focus on your satisfaction. Our success not only makes us the best in the industry, but more importantly, confirms our commitment to total customer satisfaction. Trust us to uncomplicate your complications. Established 2013. Genuine IT Systems. Your technology innovator.